What's up, YouTube and Facebook? Blue Dually out in the dually today, March 2018. Going to be talking about Dodge Off-Road's adjustable track bar and their steering box brace skid plate for the second gen Dodge. I picked them up April of last year, 2017. I went with Dodge Off-Road products as at the time when I ordered them again last year, their adjustable track bar was $100 cheaper than any other track bar I could find and was built specifically for the second gen Dodge. I don't really need a skid plate on the steering box as my truck is a 1-ton, so I don't off-road it that heavily. Their customer service sent me an email every step of the way from order completion to the build process, the powder coat process, and when they were shipped. The parts arrived in sturdy boxes with clear directions that are easy to follow. All of the hardware is included, and provided you read the directions and make sure you have the drill bit and the wrenches you need, it should take you an afternoon. It took me a little longer because I had to stop what I was doing and go get a drill bit and a wrench. Installation of the track bar was smooth. If you wish to weld the track bar bracket to the frame, the instructions tell you how to do so. I bolted mine in with the supplied grade 8 hardware. And again, it was straightforward and easy. The only problem I had was getting underneath the truck's transmission and reaching up over the axle to drill through the cross member under the engine for the single bolt you need to drill a hole for. The steering box brace installation would have went smoother if my truck wasn't a half year. A couple of the bolt holes you use on the radiator support under the radiator didn't quite line up on my truck. We're talking 1/8 of an inch or less misalignment. I'm going to blame it on the truck, as I've had problems getting parts to fit this truck in the past. Otherwise, installation went really smoothly. The parts perform as advertised, and having a Hemi joint at both ends of the track bar really solids up the performance feel, along with the steering box brace kind of tightening up the steering even a little more. I am really happy with the parts. The powder coating and finish of them is exceptional. The welds, throw some pictures up here, I'm pretty sure, so you can see how clean the welds are. They're sturdy parts, they're well-built parts. If you need a track bar for a 2nd gen or 3rd gen, 4th gen, or you're looking for a lift kit, I highly recommend you go check out Dodge Off-Road's products. Put a link down in the description below. I wished I could have showed you some installation footage, but that footage turned out really poor, and it was just too hard to see. I can't say enough good things about the parts. They do exactly what they were supposed to do. They're affordable, and they're heavy duty. I drive this truck every day along really kind of crummy roads, and they've just held up really well. They perform well. I hope the video is informative and at least maybe gives you another company to check out if you own a Dodge truck and are looking for off-road performance parts or heavy-duty parts because you work your truck. They have a full line of products. I recommend you go check them out. As always, I hope you click like or subscribe. You can find me on Patreon, link somewhere down there. It's Friday. I hope everybody has a good weekend, and we'll catch you in the next video.